You're in the South, so you don't have to deal with a lot of the issues that people investing in like the Rust Belt and stuff are dealing with. Well, A, older properties out there, and B, like tons of maintenance related to, the winter, freezing pipes, things of that nature. You could avoid all of that with something like this. All right, y'all, I got a good opportunity coming to you from the South. If you're trying to get out of the snow belt, the Rust Belt, you're not trying to deal with that type of stuff, the South is a great market for investors. This one is in Columbia, Alabama, right outside of Dothan. This property, brand new turnkey opportunity, okay? It's going to be a 4-2. And market rent here is going to be $1,795 coming to you from my friends over at Rent to Retirement. Now, what's nice about this property, right? Like I said, you're in the South, so you don't have to deal with a lot of the issues that people investing in like the Rust Belt and stuff are dealing with. Well, A, older properties out there, and B, like tons of maintenance related to, the winter, freezing pipes, things of that nature. You could avoid all of that with something like this. And then what is really cool about what Rent to Retirement is doing is they're offering a ton of incentives on this particular property. Now, when you go with them and you choose how you want to use your incentives, you can use your incentives to do things to get like rent credit, free PM for a year, things of that nature, or you can use those incentives to work with one of their lenders to get an interest rate buy down. You can get a 5.5% interest rate on a rental property, okay, folks? That is huge in 2025, okay? This ain't 2020, all right? We don't have like 2.5% interest rates, right? It's incredibly hard to get a 5.5% interest rate in the current market unless you work with my buddies, my folks over at Rent to Retirement. Get yourself a cash flowing investment with an interest rate that is almost unheard of. And the best part, if for some reason you're interested in working with them, getting these low interest rate mortgages, but for some reason you're like, I'm not feeling Alabama, just not my thing. They have properties available in other markets. They focus on investing and helping you invest in the best, fastest growing markets in the USA. Reach out.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Holton Wise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.